Hey YouTubers, check out this wicked Ford Ranchero, I believe. Hey YouTubers, it's me, the J-Man63. Check out this wicked Buick Special station wagon. This has the first generation V6 in there. Pretty cool looking. All original. Doesn't look like this has been touched at all. Check out the skull right there. So do you have plans to turn it into a rat rod, or what are you doing with it? Keep it that way? Oh wow, 51,000 miles he said. This thing is insanely cool.
The only thing I've changed is the exhaust.
He's only changed the exhaust. Alright guys, Buick Special station wagon at the Victory Life Car Show 23. J-Man 63 out.